classes. Today we are going to discuss about learning management system. What is a learning management system? It is a unified communication and collaboration platform. Do you know which software we use in learning management system? Yes, you are every day using it to log into your classes. That is MS Teams. MS Teams have now dominated the screen. There are other softwares also which comes into this canary of just like Zoom, Google Classroom, Slack, Workspace from Facebook, Confluence, GoToWebinar, Skype, TeamViewer and so on. All these are platforms for learning management system. But in our school, as we are using many of the Microsoft products which collaborates with the communication platform of Teams, we are using Teams. In Teams, each class is being assigned as a team and you could create as many number of teams. Not only teams, you could even create channels. Each channel is just like a chapter in your textbook. We will see details about it.
Welcome back to computer classes. Today we are going to discuss about learning management system. You all are using Teams nowadays, and Teams is one among the softwares which comes under the category learning management system. The learning management system softwares are set for unified communication and in a collaboration platform. The communication is unified and the platforms are collaborated. And the learning management system is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, automation, delivering of educational courses, training program or learning and development programs. MS Teams, or simply Teams, is a unified communication collaboration platform. MS Teams helps you in continuous workplace chat, video meeting files, storage and application integration. These are the three things what happens in learning management system. The first area is the definition of learning management system. That means, what is learning management system? It is a software application for the administration. It helps to administrate the programs, the training programs, the development programs, the learning programs, the educational courses. Okay, and it helps to documentation. It helps in documentation, it helps in tracking down, it helps in reporting, and it helps in automation and delivering of the educational courses, training programs or learning and development programs. You could see that this is what is happening in your daily life nowadays. As it is a corona epidemic days, we have found out means to reach you and make the learning process happen on a regular basis. And it happens with the help of MS Teams. MS Teams is a simple and unified communication and collaboration platform. And it helps you in continuous workplace chat, video meeting, file storage and application integration. You could see that under the heading of the file, many of those PowerPoint presentations, etc. are being loaded so that the students are able to continuously evoke those files and do their works at home. So it helps you in learning, it helps you in developing your skills and so on. How to use learning management system in a social learning platform. But with the social learning LMS solution, the entire thing changes. You have seen that with the help of Google Forms or with the help of other tools, you could access videos, you could access the materials which the teacher gives you on a regular basis. Even the classes could be recorded so that an absentee could easily see the video after the class also. That means, and if a weak child could repeatedly see the videos so that he will be able to identify what the teacher intends in the class. These are the advantages of learning management system. The learning management system we use in our school is Teams. But to compete with Teams, there are many other applications and softwares. In the recent days, one among the software developers from Chertala near Kochi was being selected among 200 or 2000 applicants who developed video conferencing apps and competing with Teams and Google Classroom. So we will see what are the menus over there. We have seen these type of menus on your device on a regular basis. Conversations, files, OneNote, everything. What type of menus need to appear over there, you are going to decide. But on the left hand corner, you could see that there are activities, chats, teams, messages, meetings, chats, calendar, files, and so on. All this stuff helps you to make learning a wonderful experience, even though you are sitting far away from the teacher at the comfort of your home. So we are going to see a small video.
Hi there. Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a collaboration app that helps your team stay organized and have conversations all in one place. Let's start with, what else? Teams. Here, you can see a list of all the teams you're part of. Teams are made up of channels. You can build them by topic, department, or just for fun. Channels are where the real work gets done, where you hold meetings, have team conversations, and share files. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs. They're like links to your favorite files, apps, and services. Want to have a quick, on-the-spot meeting with people in your channel? Select Meet Now. In a meeting, you can show content from your computer or record your meeting. When you share a file in a channel conversation, you and your team can edit it at the same time and share thoughts alongside it. To find all the files that have been shared in a channel, go to the Files tab at the top of the channel. To see all the files ever shared across the team, click Files on the left. Want to talk privately with a person or group? Click New Chat at the top and type their names. Give the chat a name to make it easier to find later. To make a call directly from a chat, click Video Call or Audio Call. In some cases, if your organization has set it up, you can call anyone from Teams using calls, even if they're not using Teams. In meetings, you can see everything you've got lined up for the day or week. Or schedule a meeting. This calendar syncs with your Outlook calendar. Go to Activity for a view that lets you catch up on all your unread messages, @mentions, replies, and more. And use the command box to search for specific items or people, take quick actions, and launch apps. Convenient, right? And don't forget to download the mobile app so you're in sync when you're on the go. Thanks for watching. Now bring in your team and let the collaboration begin.
These are the most commonly compared to Microsoft Teams apps: Zoom, Google Classroom, TeamViewer, GoToWebinar, Adobe Connect, Moodle, GoToMeeting, Blackboard Collaborate, BlueJeans. And look at the ratings they have. Zoom is having a very good rating, 1600 ratings, and the TeamViewer is next to it, 1526, and GoToMeeting 1269. The ratings, the 4-star ratings which the people give to these apps shows that the apps which are so good in using in the do you course. And now there are softwares which are being used professionally by business enterprises. Look here, Slack one is there, and this stuff may be a bit more costly. Slack is having a rating of 3184, while Google Drive is having 3800, but Google Drive is majorly used for storing applications and data in the cloud computing. We have studied about cloud computing, and Confluence is there.